How to enable the floating app window mode or floating Windows mode for your Nothing phone with Android 14. So if you want to get your YouTube player to appear like this here, where you can simply just watch whatever it is that you want to be watching, and of course, yeah, if you want to have it like this here, here's how you can go to do this. So the best way to do this is, let's just say you have some apps open already and YouTube is one of them. Go ahead and tap on the recents button, or tap or perform the recents gesture if you have the swipe gestures on. You'll be taken to the recents view mode here, and every app you have open already will have the app icon up here. You'll tap on that one time, and if you see pop-up view, that's the feature that you're looking for. So not every app will have it, but luckily for the Nothing phones, the YouTube app does. So once you do this, this is gonna happen. This little app here is gonna be there, and you can move it all about, whatever you wanna do it. And you'll single tap it to get it bigger like this here, and you'll go ahead and, let's say, press play. Your video is gonna be playing here now. And if you wanna get it into the view mode as I had it in just as a start of the video, just of course put the video player into full screen mode, and you'll notice it's gonna appear like this here. So this will give you a little tiny view mode here like that. And then if you tap away, it's gonna enter into this view mode while the video is still playing. And of course now you can go into another app while you simply just go ahead and navigate other features and settings on other phone apps. And so you can single tap it again to bring it back here, and of course shrinking it like this here, or just holding it down to the remove up here at the top to simply exit that mode here, and you can repeat the process again to re-enter into the pop-up view mode.